So what we're going to do next is create our blueprint interface. So if we go to our learning folder and blueprint, we want to right click, blueprint interface, give it a name. I'm going to name mine BPI interface. Open that. Over the right we've got a new function, so we're going to name this interaction scroll. Compile that, save it, close it. Go back to our third person blueprint, open that up. We want to add this to our third person blueprint, what we just created, our blueprint interface. So class settings. Over the right here, interfaces, we want to add, and we type in BPI or whatever you've named it. We now have a it connected to our player connected to that. So now what we want to do is go to our sphere trace, right click on out hit, split the struct. This opens up loads of other features which are very handy, which I'm sure we'll be using in the future. We will be using one of these in a minute. What we want to also do is create a branch off of the sphere trace, because what this will do is this will tell us if it's hit something like a rock, a tree, a scroll, it's true. It will then send a trigger to our blueprint interfaces to go through them to work out which one it is. So we want the return value from the sphere trace into the branch. We then want to type in our interaction scroll. Where is it? Not that one. It's the, scrap that. We want to come out of the out hit actor, interact. We want the one with message, otherwise it won't work, and you'll see because it's got a little envelope over it. Now, that's it set up for the player. We now want to create our scroll blueprint. So what we'll do is we'll go blueprint class and actor. We'll name this BP scroll. Open that. Go to our class settings. Again, same interfaces. Add our BPI interface, and then we'll go to our event graph, and to test this what we'll do is we'll go right click, interaction call function, interaction event scroll, and put a print. Spelled right. Right, now in theory, if we add a cube just as a placeholder geometry, drag that into our scene. When the player interacts with it, we press E. That should, yep, there we go. You see it's gone green, and it's then contacting our blueprint interface, which is then sending it to our scroll. So there we go. We've set up our basics interfaces between the two objects or actors and items.